Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a PowerPoint using Canva Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that you have already installed Canva application on your mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up my Canva application, and there will be two methods you can try to create PowerPoint on Canva mobile. The first one, you can use template or you can manually design your PowerPoint, but of course it will take longer time. So to save your time guys, I recommend you to use template. Just go to the template, and then here you can add the keyword. For example, I'm going to add a static PowerPoint. Okay, and then I'm going to search the PowerPoint. Okay, and there will be a lot of templates that you can use guys, and you can choose the category here. Okay, and you can choose the style, and I'm going to choose one of the templates, and then we can modify the template according to our needs, and then I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then you can modify the PowerPoint as creative as you can. You can change the color, change the font, change the picture. It's up to you. Okay, here you can edit it and modify as you like according to your needs. Okay, for example, you can replace the photo with your own photo. I'm going to delete the photo. I'm going to click on delete image, and then if you want to add your own image, just go to the upload menu, and then you're going to upload something here, and I'm just going to pick a random photo from here, for example this one, and then I'm going to place it here. Okay, that's so simple, right? And you can edit it as you like. And the second method guys, when I'm going to go to the Canva home, you can use Canva AI to create automatic PowerPoint. You can go to the AI and then describe the PowerPoint that you want to create. You can click on design here and ask the AI to create PowerPoint for you. And this method will be faster than the previous one because you use AI, but I think sometimes the result is not what I'm looking for. So yeah, that's the weakness from using Canva AI. But yeah, you can try it. If you don't have enough time to create PowerPoint, you can use Canva AI because it's really fast and it will save your time, of course. And you can still change the design. Just click on the PowerPoint, and then you can click on use Canva editor, and then you can edit the title and then the contain. It's up to you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create PowerPoint using Canva mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.